If you talk about true love with cynics and hopeless romantic people, then they would say true love exists only in the movies and stories. And if you talk to researchers, scientists, and successful couples, they would say true love not only exists, but also it is possible to establish a long-term relationship based on the true love. And today we are going to talk about true love, its main characteristics, and what are the main signs that would make you know that you have the true love. And what is true love? True love is a feelings of unconditional sentiments, desires, passion, tenderness, warmthness. And when you have these feelings, then it doesn't matter whatever circumstances, challenges you are going through in your life, the feeling of true love, they won't change. And it is difficult to describe the exact feelings of true love. Some of the main signs, some of the main characteristics of true love are, it makes you selfless. When I say selfless, then I mean that there is a completely equal feelings on both sides. It doesn't work. It doesn't mean that there is one partner loves the other partner more. And in true love, both sides, both partner loves each other equally. If there is unequal feelings, then the variation is so small that the partners won't consider it. They won't notice it. And true love is all about looking for the person that completes your soul. And it could be in the form of developing new interest, passion, and hobbies that you never had before. And you also realize that when you are together, the love partners, when they are together, then their productivity is more impactful, is more influential than working alone. And when I say the both partners, they complete each other, completion and completeness doesn't mean perfection. It means accepting the flaws and weaknesses of your partner and working on them in order to make each other a better person. It doesn't matter however pressurizing, chaotic, and stressful environment and circumstances you are going through in your life. When you have your true partner by your side and true love by your side, then you can easily face the challenges of your life. True love has the capability to last forever, and things, people, circumstances, they come and go, but the true love lasts forever. And if your partner is away, then you can't stop thinking about your partner, about your true love. If true love only exists in your mind, you haven't expressed your love yet, then you should share your love and express your feelings, true feelings and emotions with your true love. When you are in contact with your true love while holding hands and looking in the eyes, then it makes you feel that you can read and you can see the soul of your partner, of your true love. And if true love partners, they are immature intellectually, then they give each other a space. It is difficult for them to give each other a space, but they do give space to each other in order to have some me time. And if one of the partner is feeling low and feeling bad, then the other love partner, they try to lift the spirit and morale of each other. And true love is all about encouraging and optimism. True love doesn't have the feeling of jealousy and enviousness. True love is all about goodness and encouragement. And when a true love partner develops a connection, they have the spark, then it is difficult for them to stay apart. But it is highly advisable that they should wait rather than settling for something less than they deserve. Now the question is how to know that you have met or found your true love. Some of the main signs of true love are that when the love is true among partners, among lovers, then they don't keep things hidden from each other, like introducing your partner to your friends and family members. And they do that, and their family members also accept accept your true partner and true lover. And it means when it happens that your family, friends and family members, they accept your partner, then it means the love is true. If one of the partner is keeping things hidden, like your family, his or her family members and his friends, you don't know about their background, their friends and family members, it means they are not serious. When the partner, they introduce each other to their family members, and it means something is serious in the relationship and their love is true. True lovers and love partners and couples, they try to surprise each other with gifts, treats and unique ideas and surprising things. And it only happens when you have your love partner in your mind all the time, and when you see something interesting, creative and funny, charming, cute, then you think of your partner, then how it would make you want your partner to feel the same way, the way you are feeling, and you try to surprise your partner. The other thing you should keep in mind, there's no such thing as 100% match. True love demands and needs sacrifices and compromises on little things, like you don't like the movie and certain type of movies, and your partner loves it, and now your partner wants you to accompany you while watching movies, and you accompany your partner in order to make your partner feel better, and your partner does the same things for you, and there are things about you that your partner doesn't like, but your partner stays with you in order to make you feel better. True lovers and love partners and couples, they not only express their love verbally, but they also express their love with their action and practical things. And when they do that, then it makes their love stronger and more powerful. And it only happens, and it means that they are willing to do everything for their love and relationship. It means action speaks louder than words. Everyone has friends, family members, interests, hobbies, and passion. We like things, we like to watch movies, or we do all of these things. But instead of giving time on allocating time for your interests, friends and family members, you give time to your love partner and your true lover. And it means that you have the commitment, you have the loyalty to your lover and your partner. As I said earlier, true love is all about goodness, optimism, and encouragement. And when the love is true, then the partners, they support each other's goals and objectives. Their focus is on growth and productivity. Unlike many other relationships and couples and partners, true lovers, they don't leave things unnoticed. They don't leave issues and problems of their relationship unresolved. They talk about things, they discuss things about issues, conflicts that are troubling their relationship. And whenever they discuss something, whenever they resolve an issue, they make their relationship, they make their true love relationship more strong. True lovers, partners and couples, they have the caring attitude and behavior, and their focus is on meeting the needs, wants, wishes and desires of each other's partner, and they prioritize the needs of their partner instead of their own. And true love relationship and true love is based on openness and honesty. True lovers, they talk about things, they communicate things, they share ideas and thoughts and everything, they share it. The reason they talk about things is because they are comfortable. They are completely 100% sure that their partner won't judge them, their ideas, their thoughts, their everything. They discuss it, their mind, how they think about things. They just simply share it with their partner, and the other partner won't listen to them without any judgment. When true lovers connects with each other, it makes them feel that they are at home and they are so comfortable with each other that they love and cherish each other's company, and they don't need to talk. They simply love each other's company. They are sitting with they are accompanying each other, then they are at home, and it is highly advisable that they should give each other a space. It is difficult for them, but whenever they are together, time flies. Time literally flies, and they don't think about the time. Time just it makes them feel that they are floating in the air. True love makes you a morally and ethically conscious person, and true lovers, they don't make such promises that they can't keep. If they are making promises, then it means they would keep their promise. And true love is all about affection, tenderness, kindness, and love for the sake of love. And true lovers, they don't inflict pain, whether it's physical or emotional. They don't inflict pain on each other. And when they break up, then revengeful feeling. Revenge is a very powerful human emotion. It can happen, but in rare cases, it is exceptional. But true love is all about affection, compassion, and tenderness and kindness. And true love demands commitment and loyalty and priority. And when you prioritize your relationship, your true lover, then it means you have the commitment, you are committed to the relationship, and you are willing to do everything and anything for the relationship. And true lovers, they don't irritate, annoy, and hurt the feelings of each others. And if you are angry and mad at your partner, then you can't stay mad forever on your partner. Your feelings and your madness and your anger is temporary, and after that, you simply all about love. And that's what true love is all about. And if you have any question about true love, just leave it in the comment box below. I'll answer it to you. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Have a good day, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are, whatever time it is in your part of the world.